public na fammiba ji meeting mafam amadane ba kapna riba nongoi makuns unlimited firing. It is happening over there in the Tinem village under Singai Assembly constituency. So how is this happening? Where is the ESP concerned? Where is the police personnel concerned? Where is the Assam Rifle? How we are going to conduct the elections? How the people's opinion will express through the public meeting interactions, which is under the provisions of the Constitution of India, under the guideline of the ECI. It is not possible. It is quite unfortunate. It is a very condemned from our national political party, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee. So it is happening now. Yesterday also it was happened. Today also it is happening. So how can the ECI and the CEO will conduct the election? So this is the important questions from our side. So aduna haujiksi aikoi leiriba masidi yamna samvidhan ki oiba tangai phadaba election conduct tawse leiriba situation ja koi pamdrabasu pamdana samvidhan ji innanaba idamakta aikoi innanaba idamakta aikoi madu ngaknanaba idamakta aikoi leijariba amani adubu samvidhan se masi dictate tawge adagi masi act violate tawge haidana haibasidi. It is the sole responsibility of the Election Commission of India as well as the state government. Adu masi tawroidobu oiragadi masi aikoi sarkar gi amadi Election Commission of India adagi CEO Manipurna masi parja ta khanghan biyo akoi party da khanghan biyo akoi punamak se masi sida sumaina aikoi da suppress tawgada aikoi punamak ki rights aikoi ki free movement se violate to be given already. Masi Swiss day keep of power. The saying na Manipur Sida koi hinga the kire. Manipur Sida koi laigaba to express our opinion, to have such a type of interactions, meetings. We feel afraid of this activity. Others mind hiding. So lastly, Sukumba Akoi intending candidate leaders sing that Sumaina. तौबीबसे नुवाइते मणिपुर से शांति पोरक्सी फजबा माना माना पांबा खंजसनु माना माना पांबा थबक तौजसनु अक्ता अखोइना नम नमदना तौबगी पोसे चथरागदी एमसी इलेक्शन की टाइप ता सिलेक्शन हाइबदो अदुम कंटिन्यू तौरगदी मणिपुर दा अखोइगी थोगहनिंगदबा थोदो कया थोगलाइबा थोखिबा मयाम सिंगसे मसी अदुमक अदुम अखोइ हंजन हंजन थोलकपा याय लोइनाना government da again akoi CEO Manipur da law and order se masiga mari leinana aikoi na Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na aikoi gi sugumba leaders sing de attack to bose masi protect to view aikoi si protect to view praja singi leaders sing da akiba phahun bigano aikoi kanamata da aikoi nusina da ba kanamata da aikoi yeknaba leite nusinataba leite aikoi leiribase khoi gi political party moina leibak sigi state sigi adagi santi akoi gi lakna da bagi da makta aikoi thawai kathok tuna adagi dedications with whole of our life aikoi gi punsi se lemhori punsi myam sing se parja gi da makta manipur gi da makta khalaga aikoi kathok jagiana राजनीति यार तौजरीबनी अखोइदा मसुगुम्बा अकीबा फाउबा थबक मैम सिंगसे मसी लेहनबिगनु सरकार गवर्नमेंट इज द सोल रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी of such threatening attacking to our leaders adagi to the people, the entire people of Manipur adro masi parja punamakta karida sugumba leiriba मैम सिंगसे सरकार न मसी ngakpigedabani सरकार leiribase sigidamakni parja bu ngak singna leiribase masi sarkar na ngakpiyo haibasisu ai aroi boina ai na pil tawjeri aduna masi gi tawdokse matung da su amuk thoktana raba sarkar na measures lakhat piyo district ta leiriba policing paramilitary forces fajana law and order maintain tawnaba thambiyo ai khoi su india gi citizen amani ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯕꯥ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯀꯠꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯔꯥꯖꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ BJPꯒꯤ NPFꯒꯤ NPPꯒꯤ Congress Partyꯒꯤ CPIꯒꯤ Janata Dal EUꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ treatment chap manana protection aikoi leiriba political party regional party local party national party myam punamak se masi ngakuna thamba masi protect tawiba mipum khudimaki hak pi bai ba se jangbidan da iri sarkar magi mathauni hai ba se masi su amuka hanna aina ningsing jabani masi sarkar na paikhat piu haiduna haijaraga matang sida tenjeri thank you loinana ai point amataga thamjage masigi repeatedly aikoi attack se tawrak pasida chief electoral officer Lamphel Pat Manipur da khogi party na sugumba thoning daba thodok se matung thoktanana ba masung masigi measures protections of our leaders candidate intending candidate masiga mari lenana ngasi aikoi khogi petition dama thagani petition to subject to khaktang ai haijage to the Chief Electoral Officer Lamphel Pat Manipur subject in the matters of humble request for issuing necessary order of protections and the security coverage in respect of our INC loaned intending candidate Siri Alfred Kangam Athar ex-MLA of Outer Manipur Lok Sabha election 2024. This is the subject matter. This letter will, this petition will submit today to the CEO Manipur. Thank you.